Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the Percentrank indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Percentrank indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 31 different strategies, with 7 of them being winners. We have also tested a total of 422 indicators, with a total of 173 winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those indicators. Alright, so today's indicator is the Percentrank indicator. Now keep in mind, everybody, that of course we test all these indicators across the Forex market, but all these indicators can be used on the regular stock market. You can use them on futures, you can use them on crypto, you can use them on just about anything. If they work in Forex, they're definitely going to work in other markets. Also, if you stay tuned in watching until the end of the testing process, then I'll tell you how you'll get access to a really great crypto scanner. Alright, so back to the indicator here. Like I said, it's called the Percentrank indicator, and you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. Setup on this is relatively easy. We have a zero line running right down the middle. Of course, you can't see it, but these lines are pivoting up and down off of the zero line. And so when we get a blue lines, blue bars moving to the downside, we are going to go short. When we get the blue bars moving to the upside, breaking to the upside, then we are going to go long. So a pretty simple setup, not much to it. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get. Alright, so we picked up a first signal right here. It was a signal to the upside. We unfortunately got stopped out on that one as it turned around pretty quickly and went to the downside, giving us this short signal right here, which got us to take profit. So let's go ahead and move forward. All right, so we had a couple here that pinballed us. So we got a signal to the long side, then almost immediately spikes to the downside, then back to the upside, which got us to take profit, and then to the downside, and again almost immediately we spike back to the upside, which also got us to take profit. So let's go ahead and keep going. All right, so kind of same setup here. So we get a signal to the downside, then a spike back to the upside. That one got us to take profit, then to the downside, but almost immediately reverse back to the upside, and then almost immediately back to the downside. We'll see how this one plays out right here, but what I'm going to do is go ahead and fast forward some of the video. That way things don't get too long, and we will pick this up when we are at the end of the year. All right, so that puts us at the end of the year there. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server, where we're posting some really great advanced information about trading indicators, trading strategies, trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay has put together a rather lengthy list of winning indicators for the MT platform. Our regular members and admins post almost everyday market analysis, where they put up screenshots of trades or charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance indicators that they're using, exactly where they're entering and exiting trades and taking profits, a whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for all the patrons to see, and the patrons absolutely love being able to follow along with those trades, their own accounts, stuff like that. It's really great information. And as I said in the beginning of the video, you will get access to the full list of indicators, shows exactly which ones were winners and losers and their win rates. You'll also get access to the full list Excel sheet of strategies that we've tested, shows exactly which ones are winners and losers and their win rates, as well as links to go back and review the videos. And lastly, our admin Rob has put together a scanner. It's actually a scanner that he uses himself to identify really good crypto setups, and he also has one for the Forex market. And so he's posting those in the Patreon only channel for all the patrons to see the scanner alerts as they're coming up. He's posting multiple many different scanners or many different alerts from all kinds of different crypto pairs and Forex pairs. And so, like I said in the beginning of the video, you will get access to that scanner absolutely free as a patron. Really great stuff. You will definitely find a lot of value in everything we have for the patrons. And like I said, it doesn't cost hardly anything at all, so I highly recommend joining. All right, back to the indicator here. Let's get all this in focus and see what we got out of this. All right, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, and 37. So we have 37 trades all together, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19 winners. And so that is barely going to fall short of that 60% marker that we are looking for. This gave us a lot of trades, a lot of signals in 1 year's time. It's a shame that it wasn't a little bit more accurate, but it seemed like most indicators, where it really struggled was when we hit a consolidation zone. When we were really making decent moves up and down in the markets, really decent trend moves, it was catching those moves really well. It was when it hit this consolidation that it really just took a lot of hits on the losing side. So unfortunately, this one is going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.